Landbank's anti-bill shock loan program affords power distributors financing for increased distribution costs that can be spread out through incremental increases in their customers' bill statements without passing the borrowing cost to them. Our Kenneth Paciente returns with the president's directive to the ERC and DOE to keep power costs at a minimum and from running away by adopting Landbank's loan program.
Due to the baking heat, Rose's power consumption doubled. To be comfortable, they turn on 2 air conditioning units every night. And in the morning, 4 electric fans are on at the same time.
Ngayon, huwag tayong mag-expect kasi talagang malaki ngayon. Hindi mo makuwang talagang magtipid. Kasi siyempre, iniisip mo kaysa naman magkasakit ka.
To help consumers like Rose, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has instructed the Energy Regulatory Commission and the Department of Energy to ensure the cost of electricity is affordable. That is through collaboration with other government agencies and stakeholders. The President has ordered the ERC and DOE to use the anti-bill shock program of the Land Bank of the Philippines. In this program, the Land Bank provides financing to distribution utilities at concessional rates, enabling them to spread out the incremental increases on their customers' billings by up to 9 months without passing the borrowing cost to consumers who cannot afford to pay at full cost.
Maapila kami dun sa ating mga distribution utility na magkusa na silang makipag-usap dun sa kanilang mga suppliers. Meron naman pong mga suppliers na may very mindful of their civic duty na itong panahon na ito ay sabi ko nga extraordinary times na pumapayag na utay-utayin, i-deferred payment mechanism dun sa kanilang collection and generation charges. Makakatulong po yan para makaiwas tayo sa bill shock. Meron din tayong programa sa Land Bank of the Philippines na tinatawag nating anti-bill shock program. So kung halimbawa hindi po pumayag yung inyong generation supplier, talagang sabi niya bayad ka na, now na. So pwede po kayong lumapit sa Land Bank of the Philippines.
According to the Energy Department, the anti-shock bill is a big thing for consumers as this can help them ease their burden due to an expected increase in electricity cost on account of increased demand for power as a result of extreme heat. The anti-bill shock lending program was launched in April 2023 as a commitment of Land Bank to facilitate lending to power distribution companies. Under this, each power distributor can loan up to 80% of the incremental increase on their power generation and transmission charges. To date, the amount of loans approved under the program has reached 450 million pesos. Kenneth Paciente from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.